Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we're going to see the topic called the difference between alter and update command in SQL. So in the previous session I explained about the what is alter command and what is the syntax and with the example and update command also. Today we're going to say exact difference between both. Let's go for session today. So when you like the channel, please subscribe and share with the friends. So alter command. So this command always used to add, delete, modify the attributes of a table in a database. So whenever you want to do any changes, you can go with the help of alter command here. And also by default, it always initializes the values of all the values in the table to null. That's important. And also change the structure of the table here. The syntax is add a column. You can use the command like alter table space table name add column name data type, then example alter table called customers, add phone number integers, like that. So when you execute this query, what happen? It will add the phone number in the current table, the customers table. And one more is drop column. So drop column, the command is what? Syntax is alter table space table name space drop column name space column name. So do you want drop the column, particular column? You can drop. For example, example alter table columns or drop column phone number. So whenever you execute the query, what will happen? The phone number column will be quoted. That means the phone number column will be removed from the customers table. So simple and easy. Whenever you can add, when you want, you can drop it. Now go for the update command. So as of you know, update command is one of the important command. It's a data manipulation command where before we see this alter is a DDL, this is a DML command. Moreover, it always performs on the data level and updates the existing record in the database. So I have already database about the customer. I want somewhat I want update means I can update it. Then it sets the specified values in the table using the update command and also change the data inside the table. So syntax. So our syntax is what? Simple. Update space table underscore name and set column one is equal to value one and column two is value two and so on and so on. Then where condition. So this is the syntax for update the particular table. Do you want to update? Can anytime update. For example, the Indian government, like what the real time they're doing the Aadhaar card update. So we have options to request. Whenever the request, the database updated. Example, you can say change the address of the person or what I'm there. So here, example, consider the customer table having the following records. Let's assume that there will be record, consider the detail like ID, name, age, address, salary. So you have a record like that. So I want to update now. So I'm going to update the particular record. So what can I do means I can use the update query here. Using so this is the one I'm going to update. Let's assume that the name is Kilan, age is 25, Delhi 1500. So I want to update the particular record. Is it possible? Yes, possible. So I'm going to update with the help of update command. So I can write the query that is update customers set address equal to Pune where ID is equal to. So here I want to update the particular ID that is address is Delhi. I want to update as a Pune. So after executing, what will happen? Once you give the command, so where ID is equal to, it will update it here. So successfully updated. Once you execute the MySQL, you get the answer like this: Kilan, age 25, and the address is Pune. So like that, we can utilize the update command. This is all about the difference between alter and update command. Remaining, we'll see in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.